Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you top 50 settings, useful settings that will blow up your mind. Please watch till end and any one of them. So let's start. The first setting is go to settings, and there is a select to speak option. It is needed when you have something on your notes or your Google. You have to read about it, what is written it is by itself, not you. Use how you can read. Just go to the settings option, then there is a, just swipe down, you can see accessibility, then there is a select to speak option. Just click on it and enable this. These features help you, like open Google and there is a new something, just tap on it, and if you want to read it about like this, just tap on it, this shortcut key like this, click on this and release it. And friends, you can see it is reading right there.
पाने के लिए 3 से 7 साल का होना जरूरी है।
I hope you like this feature, this tips and tricks. So let's move on to second trick. Go back. Second trick is magnification. Go to settings option, here it is, and go to accessibility like this, and you can see there's a magnification button. Just turn it on. This help if you just can't read small words in your uh, Google app or images or something in news, and if you want to just max the zoom, how you can just do it. If you can't read this, then simply tap on this pink magnification button, and the green line appears that it is applied, and just click on this, and friends, you can see it zooms all your content going on your screen like this. You can read like this. Let's move on to third trick. You can share your Wi-Fi without password with the help of QR scanner also. Just you have to no need to just go to the settings option like this, go to Wi-Fi and then internet, and you can see well, you have a connected to internet. If you don't know the password of it, just go to this and just go to share, and it shows a barcode like this. Take the phone and you have to open your Wi-Fi, turn it on and go for scanner, and you have to just scan this like this, and friends, you can see the network is connected to my phone. Let's talk about the fourth feature, the eye protection mode. How you can enable this if you are just reading in your tab, and if you are tired of your eyes got tired and you can't see, just open settings and go to display, and then there is a eye protection mode like this, and friends, you can see it's become like more yellowish in color, and it prevent harmful rays comes from your tab or anything, like it save your eyesight also. Let's talk about the fifth setting, show tabs. If you want to just tap on your screen whatever here or there, or open or close app, it will show a touch identity. Like go to the settings option, swipe down, you can see there is a system. Just go to developer option, swipe down, Here you can see touch. Here it is show tabs. It show visual feedbacks for tabs, and friends, you can see the tabs are on, and wherever you just tap on it, it will show. Isn't is a cool feature? Let's talk about the sixth setting. If you want best sound quality when you are playing a music on your Motorola Tab G62, you can how you can improve it by going to the settings, then go to sounds, and here it is a Dolby Atmos. Just click on it, and you can just enable this if you have not enabled. Let's move on to seventh setting. It is a bubble setting, how you can enable bubble, and I am showing you how what is a bubble setting. Just go to the settings option, go to notification. Here it is a bubbles, just turn it on. It is a setting when a notification incoming notification comes, it shows bubbles on your screens, and it will float on your screen like here or there. You can move it also. This is a very cool feature. Let's talk about the eighth setting. Show battery percentage in your tab. If you are just swipe down, you can see it is showing your battery, and just in home screen it is not showing. How you can enable in this? Just go to the settings option, swipe down, you can see there is a display on battery. Just go to battery and go to battery percentage and enable this battery percentage. So show battery percentage in status bar, and then press back. You can see, friends, battery percentage is now showing. Let's talk about the ninth setting, how you can enable entertain space in your Motorola tab. Just go home screen and tap, long press here, and then you see home settings, and here you have to just turn it on. Swipe to access the entertainment space. From the home screen, swipe right to open entertainment space, and then you have to swipe right, and friends, you can see this is an entertainment space. Like here you can watch also anything you want on YouTube, Netflix, Y tickets, Google TV. What you want, you can also search here. The games also, you can search whatever you want like this. Let's talk about the 10th setting, adaptive brightness. How you can enable adaptive brightness? This feature is very cool. If you want to increase or decreasing according to your room lighting, it will adjust your brightness according to it. Just go for the settings and then display, then you can see there is adaptive brightness. It will automatically in like if you selected this, and when you just turn it on, it will just higher the level. Let's talk about the 11th setting, how you can set app language of each app. You can use different language. How you can use? Go to settings, swipe down, go to system. There is a app language for each app. If you want to just change this language, you can change it from here. Like it is in English right now, and if you want to just change in is in Hindi, so just Hindi, tap on Hindi, and friends, when you just press back and go to calendar, where is it? You can just type here calendar, friends, you can see the app is in Hindi right now. This is how you can change. 11 settings are, it is a split screen. First you have to just go to the settings option, then swipe down, go to here, one vision, and then there is a split screen. Just turn it on like this. And how it works, I show you. First go to any app like Play Store, then tap anywhere, three by three fingers, tap two times, and this is in split screen. And just turn the second app like this, and you can use both apps in one screen. Right there you can see, this is an interesting feature. Let's move on to 12th feature, how you can enable notification dot. Just go to the settings and then go to notification here, and then swipe down. You can see there is a notification dot on app icon. When a notification comes, it will seen on, just enable it, and whenever notification comes, like Play Store or Google, it will show a dot on your app. The 13th setting is magnification mode. Go to settings and type here magnification. If you are problem in zooming in some word in Google, if you are reading some article or something and you want to zoom it, if you can't understand what is written it, just go for the settings, just turn it on, and open Google. And if we are just reading this article, and if you want not understanding these words, and if you want to just zoom it, just you can zoom like this orange line shows that it is in active mode like this. You can read like this. 14th setting is how you can double tap to lock the screen like this. How you can just enable this. First you have to go to the settings option, then swipe up, you can see system. When swipe up, you can see there's a gestures and motion. You have to just on this setting, like double tap to lock. This will just, when you just press back, and then it will be locked. 15th setting is just double long press for power button like this. Opens the camera. How you can just enable it, go to the settings option, then swipe up, you can see there is a system. Swipe up, you can see there is gestures and motion. You can see there is an option quickly open camera. To quickly open camera, press the power button twice. Works from any screen like this. You can just press back and then press this power off button two times like. And friends, you can see camera is open like this, and press back. This is how you can open your front camera or back camera. And let's talk about the 16th setting, how you can enable charging sound. If you just plug in your charging like this, how you can enable while charging it, here shows the sound. Just go to the settings, then go to sounds, and then goes down, you can see more settings. Then here it is a charging sound, enable this, and when you just charge your tab, it makes sounds. And let's talk about the setting. 17th setting is how to do battery optimization and maintenance mode. If your battery goes down to 20%, it will harmful for your battery. It will if you just go like 4 to 5 days, it will affect on your battery. How you can just improve it, just go to the settings option, then go to battery option. You can see there is a battery optimization, just click on it, and you can use this option, battery maintenance mode. When enabled, system would adjust battery capacity based on its condition. It would extend battery lifespan but might influence how long battery last on a single charge. Just on these, you have to just eventually maintain the 40 to 60% and it will last long your battery. You can just like this. Let's talk about 18th setting. If you not want to swipe down to open control center like this, when it is off and when it is on, you just open control panel like this. It will not show if you have set your password. How you can just off this setting, just go to the settings option, then go to here, unlock and security, just go for it, more security settings. There are a lot of more. Go to allow access when locked, just off these settings, swipe down to open control center, just turn it off here. And when your mobile just off and you have set your password, it will not show. When you just swipe down, it will not show control center. This is a very cool feature. Let's talk about the 20. Let's talk about the 19 setting. You can extra dim your tab overall the night brightness. How you can dim this, just go to the settings and go to accessibility, just swipe down. You can see there is an extra dim option, just turn it on like here, and when you go it becomes dim, light will be dim. And you can use it in if you are doing any project or something, you can do it in the night also. It don't affect it not affect your eyesight also. Let's talk about the 20th setting. You can enable spell checker if you are making any kind of mistakes while you are typing in your keyboard. How you can prevent this, by going to the settings option and then go to system, and then there is a more input settings, then go to spell checker, and you can just turn it on by here, you can see. And when you just use your keyboard, it will not make any grammatical mistakes. This you can do. Let's talk about the 21 setting.